Okay guys, here's how I installed this dash camera on this Mini Cooper. 20-minute job, make your life easy. If you get into an accident, you don't want to be the one blamed for. So 150 bucks, good investment. I like this one over here and I had no other choice but get yourself a dash camera and plug it right in. Don't even waste your time. Immediately order one of these because I did that to many of my cars and many of my next door neighbors' cars. Anyway, there's the Mini Cooper. We're gonna go inside. And I already installed the camera. It's very simple. You buy these, let's unlock, and it's a plug and play. So this is the one I got right over here. Okay, let's just focus. All right, so that's what I got. And I routed the cable going right through over here, and then you could just pull on this, and then you could send the cable right through down here. It goes behind under that carpet. You can see a little bit of sticking out right there. And it goes under the carpet and it comes over here. I kind of took out this cigarette lighter over here and I hot wired it, positive and negative, and I stuck everything down here. And if you need to know the fuse on this Mini Cooper, it's down there, 44. So, or you could just bring it over here and just plug it right there. It's simple. A lot of people just want to leave a hot wire hanging. Just route it. It just tucks right in. And just be careful with the airbag. Try to get it like up above and through the side. And you don't want to overlap the airbag. I'm sorry, I wasn't pointing the wrong way. So you don't want to overlap the airbag over here. So if you're tucking the cable in, just go up into this, inside here, and then around, and then it comes down. You just don't want to go around the airbag because when it deploy, it might break everything or something might happen, safety reasons. Anyways, let's plug this in. Okay, I didn't have the... It should light up very quick. Just give it a second. I'm not sure. There you go. It took a few moments, but it came on. And that's how simple it is, guys. And it's very simple. You can simply just plug it into your cigarette lighter there, even though I did a lot of work. And let me show you how I did this. I'll pull that thing out. So anyways, you saw that. Get yourself a dash camera, and all it needs is a memory card on the side over here. And it's a good to go. Thank you for watching my video. So something like this can save you a lot of headache, a lot of money. People BSing on the road that you destroyed you caused the accident when they caused the accident. Anyways, thank you for watching.